guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Kyla and I make makeup videos. As you can already tell by the title, I am reviewing the new Natasha Denona Circo Loco palette. Circo Loco palette. Isn't she pretty? I'm so excited. Daulton actually gave me this palette, like he surprised me with it. He was like, I got you something, it's gonna be at your house. And I was like, what do you mean you got me something? And it showed up and it was a Sephora box and I was like, and I opened it when he got here and it was this and I was like, oh my goodness. Like I was floored, to say the least. Natasha Denona is one of my favorite eyeshadow brands, if not my favorite eyeshadow brand. And I had like sent her a picture of this palette and I was like, look how cute it is. You know, like I do that with my sister. Like she doesn't just randomly buy me palettes. But I'm grateful nonetheless. And yeah, this is what she looks like. I am super excited. I have used it once and I've swatched it once as well. This palette does retail for $129, which is insane that he did that. So I'm going to, don't mind Bella back there. I'm going to swatch all the shades for you and do some kind of look on my eyes. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I want to do the same one that I did the first time I wore it or something different. I don't know. We're going to play around and see how I'm feeling. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. There's 15 shades. Like I said, retails for $129. It's the same size as like the her usual palettes, not the little ones, but the regular size ones. So we have Firework, which is a matte orange. Then we have Razzle Dazzle, which is like a purpley, and I'm going across the top row. Acrobat, which is a blue. Oh, so pretty. Snow Cone, which is silverish with blue, so pretty. And then Cotton Candy, which is a matte pink that I'm gonna try to do with my thumb, and I put it over that other one. Oh well, you guys see them? They're super pretty and really pigmented. So I just love Natasha's shadows. I'm so excited to have this. I love colors in general. Her Metropolis palette is my favorite ever of hers. So I'm excited to add this to my collection. And the next row we have Electric, which is a beautiful blue. Holy guacamole. That would look so pretty over the Sephora collection, like chubby stick liner thing. Then we have Grin. Oh my. Cannon. So pretty. Flip. Oh, beautiful. I wonder if that will layer better. Yeah, I have a feeling. And then Fun to Mime. Put it on the side. It's a matte bluish. That one is the one that I wore all over my lid. It's not as pigmented without like packing it on. But that one blue right there is beautiful. One of my friends was like, I look at this palette and I just don't know what I would do with it. And I'm like, how? Because this is stunning. My fingers are stained from the blue. Heads up. Now we have Spiral, which is a blue. I mean, not a blue. Lord help us, an orange. I'm going to see if we can. Here we go. Then we have Magic, which is a matte purple. Oh, so pretty. Aerialist. Wow. Act. Oh. And Joker, which is a pink. So pretty. So I'm super excited to play and do a look. I have concealer on my lids. I'm going to put a base down just to make sure we are giving it its best shot. When I used it my first time, I did not use a primer. I think I just had foundation down and it creased a little bit towards the end of my day. I did wear it for quite a while. I want to say like a 9-hour shift. So by the end of the day it was creasing. So I'm going to take a base, I guess the P. Louise one. And I'm going to set that with some Hourglass powder. I'm not sure what kind of look I'm going to do yet. Let me zoom you guys in. Okay, I'm tempted to do 2 different looks. Something warm and something cool, I think. One on each eye. Why not, you know? I'm going to take this Morphe Y19 brush and I guess we're gonna do something cool toned on this eye. I can kind of copy the look that I did the other day. So I'm gonna take Cotton Candy, which is that light pink, and just pop it up here just to give me a little bit of a transition color. So you can see that really blended out nicely. And then Fun to Mime, which is that light blue. I think that's really pretty. I'm gonna take Acro. Should I do Acrobat or should I do that purple? We'll start with the purple and then we might add a little bit of that blue. I didn't do this last time I did the blue, but I really want to play around. Ooh, I like that purple. It's really nice. It blends so well with this fluffy brush. Wow, that's really pretty. I feel like if I took a more dense brush, I could really get it in there too. She's pretty. Oh yeah, that's nice. I think I'm gonna try to blow it out a little bit up into the crease a little more. Yeah. I like that. Purple is out of my comfort zone, so this is definitely a challenge for me. And then I'm going to take that blue, I guess, the Acrobat, which is the matte blue from the first row, and just kind of like give it a little bit of a blue note. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Now, I think I want to take the areolist and do that on my lid, and then I'm going to blend Act into it. So, like, areolist is going to go in here. Oh, that's so pretty. And then take the Act and do it here. And let the two kind of meld in that middle part there. And go back in with a little bit more areolist to kind of mesh them even better. Okay, that's pretty. It's a little bit dark, so I'm going to take a little bit more of that purple, the magic, and just kind of blend this a little bit more. Purple is definitely outside of my comfort zone, and this is definitely very smoky for me. This one spot right here does not want to blend. Okay, I got some fallout on the face, so we're going to brush that away. And I'm going to start with the bottom lash line. Okay, I didn't have a patchiness issue when I used this the first time, but that one spot right there with that purple is just not taking. So, I'm going to take a packer brush. Okay, there we go. There. That's better. It's definitely out of my comfort zone, but we're working with it. I want to take a brush like this and use this electric color, the blue, and like put it under here. There's a spider on my light. That's really pretty. I don't think it matches the top part, but it's fine. I'm gonna try to smoke that out. Where did that spider go? Now I'm afraid. Mr. Spider. Okay, that was scary. So, this purple, it did not, it's like, I don't know. It just isn't doing, it's not like Let me use some of the blue. Try to blend this out better. There we go. That's better. That looks a lot better. Okay, so that blue on the bottom is not the right contrast from what I have going on up top. But we put it there, so we gotta roll with it. So I'm gonna take more of that aerialist. And I also need to smoke this blue out some. I guess we'll use that same blue from the top. Yeah, not the right shade of blue, so I'm gonna put some purple over it. Didn't do what I wanted, but it's fine. It's a pretty blue though. Okie dokie, this eye is looking good, so I'm gonna do something warmer on the other side. Take this Morphe M514. Naturally, I have to go in with the orange. Who would I be if I didn't do an orange look? So with this fluffy brush, it blends out really nicely. I don't have that patchiness like I did with the blue, or was it purple? The purple that I had over there. So this is just blending a lot better. I think I'm going to take some of that pink, which is Joker, which that orange was Firework. I'm gonna put it out here some. And back in Firework. And then I'm just going to use them both now. And really just... Okay, that looks really cool. Now I'm just trying to decide between Spiral and Canon. We'll start with Spiral, I guess, and kind of keep it close to the outer. And then Canon is towards like the middle more. And then I think some green and the very inner part, that gold. I think that one Spiral is a little bit too fluorescent for like to go with that pink. So I might take some of the Razzle Dazzle and like make that more out there. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. And I just have to blend it out. Super pretty. I definitely love a warmer look. I haven't been using gold a lot, so that's kind of nice to kind of dabble there a little bit. It's definitely pretty. I don't know what I want to do on the bottom. Maybe just some pink and orange. I'm gonna stay away from that gold. I don't know. The gold is not as lustrous as I want it to be. Maybe if I had wet my brush. So let's take it. Take the wet brush. Get some gold on there. It's called Grin. Wow. Okay. That's really nice. Ooh. It's really vibrant. I'm gonna try it with that orange now. That Canon. Canon's like a coppery color. I keep saying orange, but it's really just a copper. It's pretty. These aren't as like boom as some of her other ones, but I like it nonetheless. It blends out really well. Alrighty. I want to try it with like the Urban Decay primer. So I need to put something on the bottom lashes. Pink. So the Joker and Firework, I think, is how I'm feeling. So just start with Firework, which is the orange. Wow, that packs on really nicely with that packer brush. Holy crap. Like that orange is the same orange I used in my crease, which blended out really well. But like with a packer, so there is some serious fallout. But like with that packer brush, it definitely like really did well. I don't think this brush is good for packing on, but it's giving me some fallout, and it's kind of making it hard to control over in the corner. So I'm gonna have to blend those together a little bit better because we have some. It's like it really came out over there. I don't like how that brush put that pink on. It like, but it came on. It went on really pigmented, so that was nice. So I like that. I think I'm going to put on some eyeliner, and I'm gonna use Stale Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This stuff has been running on me if I don't wear makeup with it. So if I just put eyeliner on and don't have foundation on underneath, it runs. That's pretty. I like how both the sides look now with the eyeliner. And I'll pop on some mascara. I'll use my Big Ego, I think. I like that. So, need some bottom lashes. This one especially would look good with actual lashes. But and that would have looked good with liner, but did I think of it? No, I totally forgot before I put mascara on. So I have two ColourPop ones. I have the BFF Cream Gel Liner in Big Splash that I want to put on this side. That's pretty. And then I'm going to put this one in Marigold. Okay, that definitely made a difference. I like it. I got a little bit on the bottom down here. I'm gonna wait for that to dry before I clean it off though. So, what do you guys think? I don't even have a lip on. ColourPop's Unreal. Ooh, that is darker than I thought it was gonna be. That looks good. I think it could use a gloss. Cute. Okay, I dig it. It would look even better with lashes, but you know me. So, that being said, I really like this. What do you guys think? My hair is wild. But I like it. I like the palette. It's very nice. It's not super bright like some of our other ones, but it blends out really nicely. I mean, you can build it up. So, I dig it. What do you guys think? Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please, 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 please subscribe to my channel. I'm close to 150, so who knows. And a shout out to Daulton, my Marine. I don't think you guys know his name yet. I filmed a video with him and I haven't uploaded it yet because it took us like 2.5 hours to film it, and that takes a long time to edit. So yeah, stay tuned for that video coming up soon. Check out my Instagram, it's at MakeupMySmile, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!